Okay, let's look at homework 2.8, 3.1, number 4, right? So we have this function y equals 1 over 1 plus x squared. Then we want to find dy over dt, given that the dx over dt is equal to 5 and x equals -2 for part A, right? So let's just do part A. Other parts are very similar. All right, so let's take the derivative. So we're going to take the derivative of y equals 1 over 1 plus x squared with respect to t. So we take the derivative with respect to t, right? So derivative of y is dy over dt, which is equal to, right? So we take the derivative using the quotient rule, right? Square the bottom. So you have a 1 plus x squared, right? Derivative of 1 is 0, so I'm not going to write it down. Times anything is 0. Minus, right, top 1 times derivative of the bottom, which is 2x, right? So I'll probably just write the negative 2x, right? And then you have to multiply by dx over dt. Right, so you just take the regular derivative with respect to x, but we have to do the multiply by dx over dt since we're taking a derivative with respect to t. All right, and then after that you just have to plug in numbers. So let's see, so this is going to be, right, -2 times, right, x is -2 for part A, so put -2 over, and the quantity 1 plus -2 squared. I'm going to go ahead and write 4 squared, right? Then dx over dt is 5, so multiply by 5, right? So this is 5 squared, so 5 and the 1 of the 5 cancel out. You have that. Then what you get is, let's see, -2 times -2 is 4. Then you have 5 on the bottom, right? So let's check that. Right, so answer is 4/5. Right, let's check the answer. Submit for testing. Okay, it came back and we got part A correctly. And you can do other parts very similarly. All right, that's it. I hope that this was clear.